Want to outmaneuver enemies and pull off movement that looks impossible? Let's talk about tap strafing, one of the most advanced moves in Apex Legends. Tap strafing lets you change direction mid-air. They can also help you with juking shots, climbing back onto ledges, or making unpredictable pushes. Here's how to do it. There are two key binds that we need to do here. You want to bind move forward to the scroll up key and jump to the scroll down key. Why is this important? Tap strafing works on the idea that you sprint and slide and do a direction turn. Now, turning directions in a tap strafe isn't as simple as looking into the new direction or pressing A or D. You would need to do the following almost instantly. Sprinting and sliding, then you jump while pressing A or D to select the direction you're going, and panning your mouse into the direction and pressing forward. Let's try showing you how that would look like. First, you sprint and slide while holding W. Second, you want to jump while using the new keybind, which is scroll down, while holding your movement key to the direction you want to go, like A or D, while releasing W. It will look like this. Let's try that again. You'll see a bit of movement, but it's not quite enough, right? Which is why the next step is important. The third step, which is looking into the direction you're going, then scrolling your mouse wheel forward quickly. As you can see, we can cut corners more sharply now. Each scroll input adds to your strafe, letting you swing your character in the air. This movement allows you to swing around corners easily, helpful when you're being chased down and you need to get into cover faster. Let's show you how this looks like with a jump pad. So first, you sprint and slide into the jump pad. Then, doing the second and third steps almost instantly, you're able to change directions mid-air. And also, depending on how far you pan your mouse, you can even do a 180-degree mid-air on a jump pad. Yeah. Here's the key detail most players miss. It only works if you are on mouse and keyboard, since it requires scroll wheel input. Controller players can't do it natively. Tap strafing isn't just about showing off. It's about repositioning mid-fight in ways your enemies can't predict. Practice it in the firing range until it feels natural, then bring it into fights. Once you master tap strafing, you'll never move the same way again in Apex.